You've designed modular email designs in Figma. Now it's time to turn that creative vision into something scalable, reusable, and ready to send with Chamaileon's modular email design system. The platform breaks down email design into 4 simple layers: brand elements like colors and fonts, components like buttons and headlines, blocks for full layout sections, and templates to bring it all together. It's a system built for scale and built to stay on brand. If you already have your design in Figma, perfect. Let's bring it into life, one reusable piece at a time. Simply match your layout section by section, using drag and drop components powered by your brand styles saved to the core of the system. It's not just a handoff, it's a hand-up, turning visual design into production-ready email assets you can send without touching a line of HTML. Need pixel-perfect accuracy? No problem. Measure exact spacing in Figma, 24 pixels top and bottom, let's say. Then jump into Chamaileon and apply that same padding with a single input. What you see in design is exactly what you get in the final email. No guesswork, no back and forth, just clean, consistent emails. In Chamaileon, components are centrally managed. When you update one, it instantly reflects across every module, template, or email where it's used. Once your design system is in place, building emails becomes blazing fast as speed follows naturally. New layouts and module testing becomes an easy way to experiment without breaking anything. And when it's time to launch a campaign, just pick the right blocks and go. Your team can launch campaigns with confidence in no time. At first, you're building the system, or we can build it for you. As your design system grows, each block, each template becomes another piece that speeds up the next one. Your design system isn't just a tool, it's your unfair advantage in email creation. Build it in Chamaileon.